In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tres leches, which is a Mexican cake, and it's basically a vanilla sponge cake topped with whipped cream and caramel or chocolate or whatever you want. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button below this video, and let's get into it. We will start by adding 3 large eggs. Here I'm using a stand mixer. You can absolutely use a hand mixer, and then I'll start beating the eggs until we have a fluffy and pale mixture. So as you can see, the color is very light and the mixture is starting to get very fluffy. Now I'll start adding 130 grams of sugar, and just add that in small amounts. And while I'm adding the sugar, I'll just add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'll continue adding my sugar until it's all finished. Then you should mix the batter until you have this kind of thick batter. And then for our dry ingredients, here I have 125 grams of all-purpose flour. I'll add to that 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a little bit of salt. And I'll just mix that. And then we are going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. And again, you will add that in small amounts. But don't wait too much between each amount. Okay, so all the flour is in, and then I'll stop the mixer and continue mixing this by hand. You don't want to overmix the batter because you don't want to activate the gluten here. So just make sure that there's no flour pockets in your batter. Okay, this is all ready. I'll just grease my baking tray. And I'll add a little bit of flour. And just spread it all around and get rid of the excess. Now pour the batter into the baking tray. And then we will bake this on 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until you insert a toothpick, it comes out clean. Now for the milk mixture that we will be soaking our cake with. Here I have 2 cups of whole milk. I'll add to that around half a cup of heavy cream or half and half. And you can skip the cream if you want to. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and just give that a whisk. and we will just set it aside. For the caramel, I have 140 grams of sugar. I've placed them on medium heat. And you won't add anything to this, so you will just bring the sugar from the sides to the middle, just like this, until all the sugar is melted. Here you should be very careful because it's just a matter of seconds for the sugar to be burned, so be careful. And you need a pretty dark color. Okay, we are almost there. Alright, so now you will add 1 teaspoon of butter. And then you will add 1 cup of heavy cream and you will just mix that in. And you will set that aside. So here I have my sponge cake ready and looking so good. I'll just go ahead and make few holes or a lot of holes in the cake. And then we are going to add the milk. And yes, you are going to add all the milk that you did. Okay, so now you will leave this to cool down completely. And then for the cream, I'm just whipping some heavy cream. And add to that 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we will whip them all until we have a thick cream. So this is ready. And I'll get my chilled cake and we'll just spread the cream on top of the cake. Just spread it evenly. And then after that we are going to add our caramel and make sure that your caramel is cold. We don't want to melt our cream. And just spread the caramel on top of the cream. Just leave around 2 tablespoons of the whipped cream aside and then you will use that to decorate the cake. And now I'm going to use a toothpick just to add some texture to my decoration. And here is our tres leches. How easy was that? You don't need to be professional to make this beautiful and elegant dessert. So I'll just cut a piece and I'll show you the inside of this cake. It's really moist, and as you have noticed, we didn't add any kind of oils in this cake. I really encourage you guys to try this cake because it's really good, it's really yummy, and it's really nice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.